Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to medical diagnoses, AI is automating decisions and shaping our lives in unprecedented ways. However, this rapid progress brings new ethical challenges. One of the most pressing concerns is algorithmic bias. This occurs when AI systems produce unfair or discriminatory outcomes, often reflecting and amplifying existing societal biases. Algorithmic bias can have profound consequences, perpetuating inequalities and undermining trust in AI systems. It is essential to address these ethical concerns to ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. This essay will explore the multifaceted issue of algorithmic bias, examining its causes, consequences, and potential solutions. We will delve into real-world examples of AI bias, unravel the technical mechanisms that contribute to it, and discuss strategies for mitigating bias and promoting ethical AI development. By understanding the ethical implications of AI, we can harness its power for good while mitigating its potential harms. Algorithmic bias has manifested in various domains, often with detrimental consequences for individuals and communities. One prominent example is in hiring, where AI-powered tools are increasingly used to screen resumes and predict candidate success. However, these systems can perpetuate existing gender and racial biases present in historical data. For instance, an AI hiring tool trained on data from a company with a predominantly male workforce might unfairly penalize female applicants. Similarly, facial recognition systems used in law enforcement have been shown to exhibit racial bias, leading to wrongful arrests and exacerbating racial disparities in the criminal justice system. These examples underscore the urgent need to address algorithmic bias and ensure that AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable. To effectively address algorithmic bias, it's crucial to understand the technical mechanisms that contribute to it. AI systems learn from vast datasets, and if these datasets contain biases, the resulting models will likely inherit and amplify them. One common source of bias is skewed data, where certain groups are overrepresented or underrepresented. For example, if a facial recognition system is trained primarily on images of light-skinned individuals, it may perform poorly on darker-skinned faces. Another source of bias is the choice of features used to train the model. If these features are correlated with sensitive attributes like race or gender, the model may inadvertently learn to discriminate based on these attributes. Addressing these technical challenges requires careful data curation, feature engineering, and algorithm design to mitigate bias and promote fairness. Fairness and transparency are paramount in ethical AI development. Fairness implies that AI systems should treat individuals equitably, regardless of their race, gender, or other protected characteristics. Transparency demands that the decision-making processes of AI systems be understandable and open to scrutiny. However, achieving fairness in AI is complex and multifaceted. Different notions of fairness exist, and what constitutes fairness in one context may not apply in another. It is crucial to define fairness metrics relevant to the specific application and ensure that AI systems are designed and evaluated accordingly. Transparency is essential for building trust and accountability in AI systems. When users understand how AI decisions are made, they can better assess their fairness and identify potential biases. This requires clear documentation, explainable AI techniques, and mechanisms for auditing and challenging AI outcomes. Several strategies can help mitigate algorithmic bias and promote ethical AI development. One approach is to carefully curate training data to ensure it is representative and balanced, reducing the risk of skewed outcomes. Another strategy is to use fairness-aware algorithms that explicitly consider fairness metrics during the learning process. These algorithms can help minimize disparities in outcomes across different groups. Additionally, rigorous testing and evaluation are crucial to identify and address potential biases before AI systems are deployed. This involves testing the model on diverse datasets and using fairness metrics to assess its performance across different demographics. Ethical AI development requires a holistic approach, considering both technical and societal factors. By embedding fairness and transparency into the design, development, and deployment of AI systems, we can move towards a future where AI benefits all members of society. As AI becomes increasingly pervasive, the need for robust regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines becomes ever more apparent. Governments and organizations worldwide are developing regulations and guidelines to address the ethical challenges posed by AI. These frameworks aim to establish standards for data privacy, algorithmic transparency, and accountability in AI development and deployment. For instance, the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, includes provisions for automated decision-making, requiring transparency and the right to human intervention. Similarly, the AI Now Institute has proposed a comprehensive regulatory framework for AI, encompassing data protection, algorithmic accountability, and bias audits. These regulatory efforts are essential for fostering responsible AI innovation and safeguarding the interests of individuals and society. Education and awareness play a critical role in promoting ethical AI. It is essential to educate the public about the potential benefits and risks of AI, including the issue of algorithmic bias. This will empower individuals to critically evaluate AI systems and advocate for fair and responsible AI practices. Educational programs should cover topics such as AI ethics, fairness in machine learning, and the societal implications of AI. By fostering AI literacy, we can create a more informed and engaged public that can actively participate in shaping the future of AI. Moreover, raising awareness among AI practitioners about ethical considerations is crucial. Developers, data scientists, and policymakers need to understand the implications of their work and actively incorporate ethical principles into AI development processes. Addressing the ethical challenges of AI requires collaborative efforts from various stakeholders. Academia, industry, government, and civil society organizations must work together to establish ethical norms, develop best practices, and foster responsible AI innovation. Collaborative initiatives can facilitate knowledge sharing, promote interdisciplinary research, and develop practical solutions for mitigating bias and promoting fairness in AI. For example, the Partnership on AI brings together leading technology companies, research institutions, and civil society organizations to advance responsible AI development. Similarly, the AI Ethics Lab at the University of Oxford fosters research and collaboration on ethical issues related to AI. These collaborative endeavors are essential for navigating the complex ethical landscape of AI and ensuring its beneficial development. The field of AI ethics is rapidly evolving, presenting both challenges and opportunities. As AI continues to advance, new ethical dilemmas will undoubtedly emerge, requiring ongoing reflection and adaptation of ethical frameworks. One challenge is the development of AI systems with increasing autonomy. As AI agents become more sophisticated, questions arise about their moral status, accountability, and potential impact on human agency. Another challenge is the global governance of AI. With AI technologies transcending national borders, international cooperation is crucial to establish common ethical principles and regulatory frameworks. However, amidst these challenges, there are also opportunities to harness AI for good. Ethical AI has the potential to promote social justice, improve healthcare outcomes, and address pressing global challenges. By prioritizing ethical considerations in AI development, we can steer this transformative technology towards a future that benefits all of humanity. AI is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize our world. However, its ethical implications demand careful consideration and proactive measures to mitigate risks. Algorithmic bias is a pressing concern that can perpetuate societal inequalities and undermine trust in AI systems. Addressing this challenge requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing technical solutions, regulatory frameworks, educational initiatives, and collaborative efforts. By understanding the causes and consequences of algorithmic bias, we can develop strategies for mitigating its impact and promoting ethical AI development. Fairness, transparency, and accountability must be foundational principles in AI design and deployment. As AI continues to evolve, it is crucial to engage in ongoing dialogue, research, and adaptation of ethical frameworks to ensure that this transformative technology serves humanity's best interests. By navigating the ethical landscape of AI responsibly, we can harness its power for good while mitigating its potential harms, creating a future where AI benefits all members of society.